BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we have been looking for buy. And if you refer to my last analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the previous top, and we discussed how we can look for trade, and even we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. Anyway, this is what we get, and we get the reversal, and the price broke the previous top. Anyway, we're looking for continuation, and based on a 1 hour chart, the targets we can look for is 628, following by 656. And if anyone wants to look for buy, we have to wait for the flag before we take the next trade. Simply, we cannot look for buy because as we can see, every time the price tag almost the previous top, it turns to a correction. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, we have been looking for this one. That's why we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And with the breakout of 680, we mentioned we can look for targets based on daily as 890, following by 1130. This is what we have been looking for. But when we look at the chart based on daily, the way it's reversing is very if this one turn to a corrective and continue as a corrective move in relative to this, we can expect the price to drop, and the next drop even we can expect the price to drop to 465. That's why if we want to look for buy within this one, we need to be really careful. All right, we need to see the continuation as a sharp, not the corrective move. And if I move to forward chart, and this is what we get, can we consider this one as a flat in relative to this for next drop? That's why I mentioned we need to see whether the price can break this zone at least 628 or not. That's why if we want to look for buy from now, we need to be really careful. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue, but from what we can see here, the possibility if the price is start to drop, it can be as sharp as what we got here. All right. Anyway, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell based on forward chart. And if I move to 1 hour chart, if anyone want to get the trade within this one, either move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. But if we want to look for the next trade, we have to wait for the correction. Then any continuation should be turned to a sharp move. I mean, the price tag over in 3 and continuation be as a sharp move. All right. And if we see any drop following by correction, this is where we can look, expect the price drop and even break 560. We are not really interested to look for sell. I don't want to discuss about the sell. But if we see any opportunity for sell, also we can take it, because if we move to forward chart, we know about this possibility. By the way, we are more interested to look for buy, but we have to wait. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.